Jai Gurudev, dear students, welcome again in this EVS class. Children, we have completed this chapter number 2, Families Change in Size. So, in this chapter, I have taught you about the reason how families change in size, means how family size increases or decreases. So in this chapter we have studied about the changes due to birth of any child, and we have already studied about the animals, how animals also take care of their babies just like human beings. And these two words I have explained you, viviparous and oviparous. Viviparous means those animals which give birth to their young ones. They are called viviparous, and oviparous are those animals who lay eggs. Okay, and in this chapter I have also explained you about the different type of oviparous animals like reptiles, birds, and insects also. And we have studied about the birds' eggs, that they have brittle shells, means shells can be easily broken down, and how they incubate their eggs, and how the baby young birds come out during the hatching, after the hatching process. Okay, so this thing I explained you. And after this, in this chapter, main things what we studied about the biological parents and about the foster children and foster parents. Okay, in this chapter we have studied about the story of Astha, this girl who was an orphan girl, means अनाथ बच्ची थी ये, and she has been adopted by these two husband wives whose names were Mahesh and Swati. Savita and Mahesh. Okay, so, and at the last of this chapter, children, we have studied about the changes due to shifting, in which they have explained here small story of a boss and his employee. Okay, so after this, children, we have completed our chapter now, and question answers we will do afterward. First, let's study about the exercise part of your chapter, means whatever exercise is given after the chapter, that we will study. So first, fill in the blanks they have given here. In your book they have given fill in the blanks, so other than this also I'll give you exercise after the question answers. So let's read first this what they have given. First is, all dash are a part of their mothers. What are the parts of their mothers? Babies. All the babies are always part of their mother. Second is, the dash feeds the young ones with her milk till they are able to feed themselves. So children, who will feed young ones with her milk? Mother. Okay, mother feeds their young ones means their babies, with her milk till they are able to feed themselves, means जब तक वो बड़े नहीं हो जाते, अपनी फीड वो खुद मैनेज नहीं कर सकते, तब तक उनकी मदर ही उनको अपने मिल्क से फीड करती. ओके, सो थर्ड इज eggs of birds have hard dash shells. Just now I told you that eggs of birds have hard and brittle shell. BRITTLE, brittle. Okay, so brittle means easily breakable, means bird's egg, if you see their shells are hard also little bit, but it can be easily broken down, so that's why they have written word brittle. Fourth is when children are born in a family, their mother and father are called their dash parents. So children, I have already told you that the mother father who gave birth to their children, they are called biological parents. Okay, two types of parents I have explained you in this chapter. One is biological and second is foster. So here, according to this statement, this biological word is correct word. So BIOLOGICAL, biological parents. And next, fifth is transfer in jobs forces the family to move to some other places. Means what forces the families to move to some other places? Correct word is transfer. TRANSFER, transfer. Means if anybody transfer happens, see here I have told you story of this boss and a man. He is giving this promotion letter. Okay, and whenever promotion is there, that time the person also has to go to some other city, some other place, by transferring that person. So that's why they have written here transfer in jobs forces the families to move to some other place. Means forcefully, without your wish also, you have to move to some other city whenever anybody transfer is there. Okay, so this is all about the fill in the blanks. After this, children, these fill in the blanks you fill in your book only. Don't write in your copy, EVS notebook. Okay, and these exercises when you fill, after that you can learn from the book. Fill in the blanks you learn from here only. Don't write in your EVS notebook. After this, what you have to write in your EVS notebook, that let's read to that. Now you see at the top here, write lesson number 2, families change in size. Okay, and here date column, always it is given at the top. You should write the date also, and after that name of the chapter you should write here in the second line. some of the students, they start writing above this line. It is totally wrong. Don't do like this. Always when you want to write a new lesson, start from this first line. Okay, leave this top this boundary line. First line you use to write lesson number, then second line you write in the second line you write name of the chapter. Okay, so after leaving one line, write new words. This is a heading. Okay, whatever the new words given in your chapter that I have mentioned here, you should write one by one. First is member, MEMBER, member. Second is recently, RECENTLY, recently. Third is viviparous, VIVIPAROUS, viviparous. Fourth is oviparous, OVI, this is not U, it is V. Okay, it is V, oviparous. Fifth is let's see the spellings. OVIPAROUS, oviparous. Fifth is incubated, INCUBATED, incubated. Sixth is hatched, HATCHED, hatched. Seventh is reptiles, REPTILES, reptiles. Eighth one is shelter, SHELTERS, shelters. The place of living is called shelters. Ninth is orphanages, ORPHANAGES. In orphanages, after this N, A also come. Okay, orphanage. So orphanages, Anath ashram. Okay, this orphanage means Anath ashram. 10th is adopt, ADOPT, adopt. 11th is foster, FOSTER, foster. Okay, so children, these are the 11th words. Okay, total 11 words are there. So I have written one time here. First you write once here, just like I have written here, and second time same word you pronounce and say and write again here. Empty place I have left for you. Okay, it is your a kind of homework that you have to read and again write here one time. Means total 2 times you have to write these words, all the 11 words. Okay, so children, up to this much you completed. Whatever exercise I have given you, that you write in your fill in the blanks that you fill in your book, and these new words you write in your EVS notebook. You start writing this, and after that in the next class I'll give you question answer of this chapter. Okay, so Jai Gurudev.